depends upon you how you express your views regarding this day. So I think you are ready for it. Birthday. Are you ready for it?
Yes, sir.
So and please, very good. वाह गौरव, अभी रुक जाओ, जिसकी आईडी उसको बुलाऊंगा मैं, तुम नहीं मानोगे ऐसे। अनुज तू आ जा,
सर
पहले
इनसे
पहले
ही
तो
शुरुआत करूँ।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, फिर अनुज
सर
फिर
इंसान तो गलतियों का पुतला है सर।
अच्छा किया तूने मेरे को थोड़ा सा एहसास दिलवा दिया इस
सर
बात का। हाँ
सर मैं कुछ कहना चाहूंगा सर।
यस।
सर थिंक ऑफ द पर्सन हु इज टेकिंग क्लास ऑन हिज बर्थडे।
सॉरी
कुछ नहीं सर।
सॉरी प्लीज।
अच्छा मैं बता दूं,
एक
बर्थडे
मिनट
के दिन कौन क्लास लेता है?
एक मिनट रुक जाओ। यस
यस सर। सर मैं तो ये कह रहा था सर, थिंक ऑफ द पर्सन हु इज टेकिंग क्लास ऑन हिज बर्थडे।
Harshit, and many students take their classes on their birthdays.
यस सर।
So I think this is not bad. This is a good thing. And so I think you are ready. So now I am calling. अब ये सब गड़बड़ कर दिया ना तुम लोगों ने। मैंने 50 बार कहा है कि ये मत
सर दोबारा नाम डाल दीजिए।
अब तुम यहाँ पे रुक जाओ 1 मिनट, अब मैं देखूंगा किसका नाम आ रहा है। अब ये अंजलि का नाम आ रहा है, पागल का। अंजलि बोलेगी अभी या क्या बाद में बोलेगी?
अभी बोल लूंगी।
अच्छा
सर उसके ऊपर हम तीनों का नाम है सर।
भाई, आईडी किसकी आ रही है?
सर अनुज की आईडी सही है।
अनुज की आईडी है, वो बोल दूं?
सर
हाँ।
हर्षित रक्षित से, हाँ उनसे शुरुआत करो।
एक मिनट रुक जाओ, मैं आईडी देख लेता हूँ फिर। अब बोलो हर्षित आ जाओ, चलो इस आईडी से ही लेता हूँ। हर्षित कम ऑन।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More, and today's my topic is our birthday. So, first of all, we must be clear that birthday is the day when we are born, and it signifies that we have completed our 1 year without anything that harms our life. And it also signifies that in our life we have whatever we have done, we must start from a new beginning, and that beginning must signify to a good thing. And we all must know that a birthday may be celebrated for ordinary person or some special person, just like Subhash Chandra Bose and many more, like those who sacrifice their life for their own country. And their birthday is also recognized by giving a holiday that signifies their birthday and signifies their contribute to the country. And second, the birthday of an ordinary person, that are the human beings, which signifies their life and whatever they have done, and they have completed their 1 year without any problem. And by keeping this mind, we celebrate our birthdays, so that it makes us happy and gives us encourage us to do more such good things in our life, and always to be happy. So, keeping this in mind, I would like to say that birthday is a day of uh, which is full of joyness and happiness. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, very good, very nice expression, very good. Now Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is birthday. So, we all know that what is birthday. It is the day when a person is born in this world, and 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 on this day, and as the person grows up, he or she celebrates his birthday because because of joy and happiness, because he knows that he is born on this day. And also birthday tells us that a complete 1 year compounded on the in the years that the person has lived in this world. Means means the person also has lived 1 year more happily. And and also we know that many people celebrate his or her birthday, and also our also we celebrate the birthdays of some extraordinary persons like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, etc., because they have given something to our country. They have contributed very much and sacrificed their life for the country. So to give them tribute and to give them respect, we celebrate their birthday.
हम्म,
And also, and an ordinary citizen also celebrates his birthday to get joy. He spreads joy and happiness on his birthday with his family members, friends, relatives, etc.
हम्म,
And his friends, relatives and friends greets him with happy birthday. And person enjoys very much on his birthday. That and so we know that it is the day of happiness, and everyone should take part in the enjoyment of his or her birthday. That's it, sir.
very good. शाबाश बेटा. And now I think this is the name of
Me.
Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anu, and today the topic is birthday. So, birthday is the day when a person is born, and this birthday comes in each year as the same date when the person is born, and it is the day when when you complete 1 year, 1 year in each year. And those who celebrate their birthday, I'm gonna say that what do we do in our life? Do we really do we really love someone with pure heart? And do we really advise someone uh, better? Or do we really love the son of the enemy? Or what do we do? Whatever we lived, what was the meaning of life?
Hmm.
And so there should be a I would say detoxification as on the birthday date of someone,
Hmm.
not of for the body only, but for the soul. And there should be a meditation, and there should be a digital free day for the person who is born. And this is what I suggest anyone to celebrate his or her birthday.
Hmm.
And I am not uh, I won't support those who celebrate their birthday with with eating, or with just doing something sinful or like that. So that's it, sir.
Very good. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा करने लगे हो. Keep it up. अंजलि.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, my name is Ajit Meena and my today's topic is birthday. Birthday comes every year and we celebrate with joy. With the joy. And you know that every children happy on his birthday.
आराम से ध्यान से चीजों को ध्यान करके बेटा थोड़ा.
Toffees, chocolates, and we got new dresses.
Hmm.
Some people go to trip to celebrate. Trip to celebrate her birthday.
Hmm.
But birthday comes every year on same date.
Hmm.
Same date and same month.
Very good. शाबाश. धीरे धीरे बोल बेटा.
Because we
तसल्ली से आराम
born
से एक चीज पे फोकस करके. हाँ बेटा.
because we born on the on that month and that day. That day.
Hmm.
And sometimes people's birthday come 2 times because of the documentary
Hmm.
purpose and real birthday.
शाबाश शाबाश बोल बेटा वेरी गुड
I say that fake birthday is real birthday. On every birthday we grow up 1 year.
हाँ
Like
शाबाश
I have
हम्म
my birthday was on 2 February that gone,
हम्म
and I am I became a 9-year-old.
वेरी गुड शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया बेटा हाँ बोल बेटा
And like this, everyone birthday come and they grow up.
हम्म
And birthday is the special day of a children because no
ऑफ अ
one
चाइल्ड
can
बेटा ऑफ अ
scold him
चाइल्ड
as of a child because no one can. He said no one will scold me because today is my birthday.
ओके
And sometimes in our school said, if you do not do this, I will not give my birthday trophy
अच्छा
in our school.
ओके
That's it, sir.
ऐसे बोला कर बेटा धीरे धीरे बोला कर तसल्ली से बोला कर बेटा है ना और एक एक वर्ड पे फोकस किया कर क्या सही है क्या गलत है बहुत अच्छा शाबाश हाँ बोलो
Sir, can we leave?
वाई
Sir, ask them.
ओ टू होम
Rakshit or Harshit.
यू आस्क्ड मी कैन वी लीव
Sir,
You
we
want to
mean
take my
we
permission
three.
and I must ask Harshit and Rakshit why? Do you want to leave?
Yes.
Why? Okay.
Sir, we are.
Okay. Eh, शर्म तो देखो इसकी चलो ठीक है ओके
सर जाए क्या
यू मे लीव हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन हर्षित सेलिब्रेट
थैंक
योर
यू सर
बर्थडे
बाय सर
सेलिब्रेट योर बर्थडे में पता है कहाँ जा रहे हो तुम जाओ मजे करो हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा
ओके सर थैंक
यू
यू
मे
सर
लीव ओके
बाय
बाय
सर
सर
गुड
गुड
नाइट
नाइट सर
सर
गुड नाइट बेटा खुश रहो बेटा कल क्लास है संडे को
सर 5 बजे
5
ओके
बजे
सर
5 बजे क्लास है
ओके
संडे
सर
को जो भी टाइम
बाय
बाद में
सर
कुछ
गुड
होगा
नाइट
तो मैं
सर
बता दूंगा गुड नाइट बेटा खुश रहो बेटा यस लक्ष्मी
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is birthday. Birthday is a day, that day we were born, and it is celebrated for pleasure and happiness. And we also celebrate some ordinary persons' birthday like Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, etc. And birthday brings happiness and pleasure, and we should be thankful for tho- those who give us birth in the in on the earth, and birthday comes many happiness, and
कम्स क्यों ब्रिंग्स आएगा ना
yes sir,
ब्रिंग्स
brings
मच
many,
हैप्पीनेस मैनी क्यों आएगा मच हैप्पीनेस
yes sir, much happiness, and birthday is celebrated one day in a year, and birthday is a signification, and we should celebrate our birthday in every year.
इन क्यों
And
लगाओगे एवरी ईयर आएगा बस इनकी क्या
certain
जरूरत
people makes our life better, like our parents, teacher. Yes sir, every year. And birthday is a beautiful day
है
for who
फॉर
were
दोस
here,
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या
and
आवाज नहीं आ रही मेरी
yes sir, आ रही है
तो मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ सुन ही नहीं रही तू, बोल आगे
आ
बोल।
रही है सर?
हाँ बोल बेटा बोल।
Yes, sir. And people celebrate birthday in all the world, and every culture and religions, and 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 we should celebrate our birthday with pleasure and happiness. That's it, sir.
ओके बेटा, मैं कुछ
That's
करेक्शन
it,
करवा
sir.
रहा था तेरे को, पर पता नहीं मेरी आवाज पहुंची कि नहीं पहुंची तेरे पास। कोई बात नहीं।
सर वो आवाज कट रही थी।
ओके गौरव, गौरव बहुत देरी से नाम लिखने लगा है अपना, सुस्त हो गया आज के लिए। बोल, शक्ल दिखाएगा नहीं कभी अपनी, अभी ऐसी पूरा बोल के चला जाएगा, पड़ा रहता है ये, खट से पड़
सर
जाएगा नीचे। क्या हो गया तेरे को?
सर
4-5 साल का लड़का है
कल
अभी तो
आपने
तू, और
बोला
अभी से
था
तेरा
ना
ये हाल हो रहा है यार। थोड़ा सीधा बैठा कर, थोड़ा सा पड़ जाएगा, क्या है ये? अब देखो जब बाल ऐसे, थोड़ा सा कुछ, थोड़ा सा तो अपना किया कर, है? बोल अब।
सर आपको कैसे पता ये पड़ा रहता है?
टाइम पे शादी करता तो तुम्हारे बराबर तो मेरे पोते पोती खेल रहे होते। समझ में आ गई तेरे को बात? कैसे पता रहता है मेरे को, है पागल? तेरा भी पता है मेरे को, तू क्या कर रहा है बोल अभी। चल आजा गौरव, आजा।
तो बताओ।
अरे मैं बता दूंगा बाद में, तू पहले क्लास लेने दे, मेरे को काम करने दे पहले मेरे को, बस ये बातों में लगा लो। बताओ। हाँ गौरव बोलो। अब हिलता रहेगा ये, डांस करता रहेगा, ये नहीं मोबाइल को रख दे। 50 बार समझा दिया इसको, भाई को समझ में नहीं आती बात इसको। बोल अब। अंजलि कितना अच्छा परफॉर्म करती है आजकल, बोल। आवाज ही नहीं आ रही। अरे आवाज नहीं आ रही तेरी भाई।
सर पे गूंगा हो गया। गौरव आ रहा है, 2 मिनट रुक जाओ।
हाँ ये गौरव के पास, गौरव का इसके फोन में आवाज नहीं आ रही थी, कल वो फोन उसको दे दिया छोटे भैया को, और उसका फोन खुद ने ले लिया, वो बेचारा अटका हुआ बैठा है। जल्दी पहुंच वहां पे, बैठी है वहां। हाँ बोलो।
यस सर।
बोल।
हेलो।
हाँ हिल रहे हैं, बोल।
हाँ सर। यस सर। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम Gurveer and my today's topic is birthday.
हाँ
So birthday is very important day because on this day we are born. Like my birthday comes in
हेलो
April and everyone has a birthday,
हेलो।
but but some unlucky people have their birthday on 29th February. So their birthday comes every 4 weeks.
हाँ मेरे को हेलो लिख के भेजो,
And
म्यूट कर दो
also birthday is a very special day because you are born on that you born on that
बॉन्ड नहीं,
day.
बॉर्न। बॉर्न कोई वर्ब थोड़ी होती है, बोलो।
अच्छा, you were born on that day. And but I would say that why are we celebrating our birthday? Because we are moving one step closer to death. Why we are celebrating that? That's my point. And also I agree that birthday is on which we can celebrate it, but not very grand way, because if you know, some people celebrate their birthday in a grand way and then regret it because they can't even finish the bills and the cake, because they order some grand cake with 5 or 6 floors.
हाँ
So but if you see that birthday is an emotion for a child. If we are not celebrating our birthday, we will get sad. And if nobody is celebrating our birthday, we will be more sad. So birthday is the emotion for the person whose birthday it is. That's it. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड। सीधा बैठा रहना, बिल्कुल सीधा बैठ जा, फोन सही करके। नाउ आई थिंक दिस इज द नेम ऑफ आदित्य। आइए सर,
हाँ सर।
आजा।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and today's our topic is birthday. As you know that what is birthday? Birthday is that date when we are born, and all people celebrate their birthday, and we always celebrate some ordinary birthday like Subhash Chandra Bose, Swami Vivekananda, etc. And some birthdays are so rare because their birthday comes only only one day in 4 years. So that is very rare. So that is very rare birthday. Think that some people born on 29 February and think what is his or her birthday, age. And and my birthday come on 29 August, uh, uh, and now my birthday come on 29 August 2026. 1 minute, sir. So yeah, so so I say that birthday we celebrate all birthdays like our father and mother birthday. And now but but in 90s and 80s time we
शाबाश।
see that no one celebrate any birthday and on, and they only mm, mm, they only give them wishes and give some normal gifts, not rare gifts,
शाबाश, वेरी गुड।
because old is gold. Yes sir, that's it.
अरे वाह यार, बोलता तो अच्छा है तू, आजकल तो अच्छा काम कर रहा है तू। गुड, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप, शाबाश बेटा, वेरी नाइस।
Sir, I can hear you
भाई
because I am go in a.
ओके योर क्लास, ओके यू may leave, for your class you may leave, ओके बेटा। यस
Okay sir.
वैष्णवी।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Vaishnavi, and today is a speaking session, and give us a very interesting topic, birthday. You know that birthday is a very special day for every child, and it is a very auspicious day, and every child is very excited that his or her birthday is coming, will be coming, and my birthday comes on 17th September. So before coming my birthday, I feel very happy, and if I feel very excited that I will be celebrate my birthday, and I started doing some preparations on my birthday, and birthday brings happiness and joy, and birthday is very special day, and birthday brings sorry, on this day no one can no one no one will be scold on a scold will scold will scold on me, and it is a very special day, and I like my birthday so much, and at last I want to say that we should celebrate our birthday in a very happiness and joyful. That's it, sir.
इन अ वेरी हैप्पीनेस एंड जॉयफुल वे, वे भी लगा सके, हैप्पीनेस वे विद हैप्पीनेस आप ऐसे। वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बेटा, नाइस इंप्रूवमेंट, कीप इट अप। यस नाउ खुशी।
Yes, sir. Hello, and hello everyone, and good evening to all of you. My name is Khushi Gujar. I'm telling about happy birthday. Birthday is an important day when we were born. You know very well, birthday comes once a year. That day feels special, and
That day makes us feel special. हाँ बोलो कोई बात नहीं.
through birthday date we
बर्थडे
we
बर्थडे डेट नहीं, बर्थडे डेट नहीं. हाँ बोलो.
through
हाँ
birthday
हाँ.
we remember like we remember uh, greats men like Subhash Chandra Bose and Swami Vivekanand, etc. And why should we celebrate birthday? I think there are many benefits to celebrating birthday. Like it brings family and friends together, and happiness, joy, and new opportunity to us for us, and it provides us to look back our achievements and lessons, and uh, improve enhance
शाबाश.
improve our new make our new goals for 1 year. And at last I want to say that we should always celebrate birthday with happiness and pleasure. That's it,
शाबाश.
sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. शाबाश. Now Vipin.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today's topic name is birthday, and birthday is my favorite day on the year
Of the year.
of the year. On this day, I born in the world.
I was
And
born.
on the world, and I celebrate
On the world नहीं, in the world. Preposition सही use करो.
in the world, and I celebrate my birthday with my family, and my birthday is coming on 19 May.
19 May.
Yes, sir. And I sometimes I celebrate my birthday on my daddy house.
At my daddy house.
At my daddy house and nanny house. And my birthday is coming on summer vacation, so I do not go to school and distribute toffees my friends.
My friends. हाँ.
Yes, sir, to my friends. And that's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छे. ऐसे कोशिश किया करो बस. हाँ. सिमरन.
Yes, sir. Hi, everyone. Good evening. I am Simran, and today I am telling about birthday. As well, you know that what is birthday? Birthday is that day when we born, and but today's topic why we should celebrate birthday. So, because uh, in the whole world, everyone wanna happiness and joy and uh, uh, wishes, etc. So many people celebrate it because they they show their love and they they create memorable uh, mm, me- moment
हाँ समाज में बोल
and
भाई हाँ ऐसे बोल धीरे धीरे बोल तसल्ली से हाँ
um, and we celebrate birthday because because that day we wanna anyone don't is called to us and day to day we said we enjoyed with our friend and family members and our society and it is a moment when we connect connect our relatives and family members whoever live so far uh, live to so I mean other country and other state but that that person wish to us and uh, he gives some gifts and he pleasures to um, our goals and that way we can make any one goal and we should we पूरा करना सर पूरा करना मतलब
कंप्लीट
we should complete our goal and uh, and but mm, in India we celebrate many ordinary people's birthday every year and that is good thing because it is uh, uh, gives many mm, gives many things and it is gives their bravery and sorry I mean it is uh, it is we can remember their hard work because they free freedom our country and they do they done many works for our country
they
uh,
availed freedom because freedom verb नहीं है ना बेटा they got freedom for our country
they
they
got
struggled for freedom of our country like that और बोल बेटा आगे बोल कोई बात नहीं ऐसे सीखेगा बेटा
yes sir and that's it sir
बहुत बढ़िया ऐसे कोशिश किया कर बस है ना हाँ सीखेगा बेटा सीखने में चीजें होती है कोई बात नहीं वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छा कोशिश करो बेटा
Excuse me,
हाँ बेटा
sir. Can I speak, please?
बस इसके बाद दीदी के बाद नंबर आ रहा है तुम्हारा जल्दी में हो गया आज तुम आर यू इन हरी आर
Yes,
यू इन
sir.
हरी
For
ओके आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ ओके सॉरी काजल
Okay, sir.
प्लीज
Okay, sir.
हाँ बोल बेटा बोल
Yes. So, hello everyone. Hello everyone. So this topic that why we celebrate our birthday. So as you know that birthday is a very important thing in our life. Birthday that day for which we wait for whole year. That when our birthday come. When our birthday come, do you know that when our birthday comes now on that day the time is very short. We thought that when our birthday comes that day is very short, but other days when we have to do any work or we have to do anything else now, we thought that this is very big day, but this is only our thinking 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 things. Every day is every hour is equal every day.
ओके कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉपर नहीं है बेटा
Sir, 1 minute. Sir,
बेटा वीडियो बंद करके बोलो
my topic is other. So my topic is why we celebrate birthday. Do you know we celebrate birthday for our happiness that we want that day? Yes, that we remind it again and again that we have celebrated our birthday in on that place, or we have gone in that hospital or that hospital, or like this. So that we can remind our we can refresh our memories about our birthdays, or about the things what we have done in our childhood, or other things. So I have only that knowledge that I have spoke. So that's it, sir.
ओके बेटा कहीं बाहर हो तुम है
हाँ सर, घर पे नहीं हूँ.
ओके बेटा जस्ट नाउ काजल हाँ बेटा
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kajal Meena. Today, my topic is birthday. As you know, that birthday is the day when a person is born, and I think it is a very special and joyful day, and whole people in India celebrate his or her birthday, and some of the people who don't celebrate their birthday, who has their own reasons, and in my view, I think I don't know what should we do on our birthday, but I think we should thank God because God send us here for do something, and we should not waste or birth in many waste things, and we should realize that on our birthday that God send us for do something, and we should do anything good, and we should do by which we can people remind us on our birthday, and people celebrate our birthday, and it is a very good thing. Like we celebrate many persons' birthday, like Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhimrao Ambedkar, etc. And should not waste our time, and we should realize that we should only thank God for send us here, and we can see that many people who don't have hand, many who don't have legs, etc. And we should thank God that we are good health, we have good health, and we have safe and sound, and we should do something for our country and for our parents, by which they proud us, and they can say that this is my girl, this is my boy. So we should, I think, birthday is the good day. We thank God, and we should celebrate it. But and we should do hard work, and we should realize that it is a day when I was born, and we should not forget that we should only here for do something special, and we should do such things by which we can by which people remind us for for forever. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Good. Very good.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
एक मिनट. हाँ माइक बंद हो गया था बेटा, फोन आ गया था बेटा. Very good बेटा. Nice performance. Keep it up बेटा, है ना?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
कल्पना आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Today my topic is birthday is very special day. Birthday comes in every year.
इन नहीं लगाते बेटा, every year बस. हाँ बोल.
Every years.
Every year से
But
बेटा, every year. ध्यान रख एक एक वर्ड पे. फोकस कर बेटा थोड़ा. हाँ.
birthday so much happiness.
आराम से.
People
पूरा sentence.
are celebrated birthday.
People celebrate birthdays.
Celebrate birthday.
हाँ ध्यान से बेटा, फोकस करो. हाँ.
People are give gifts. We should all celebrate birthday. That's it, sir.
भैया चल तो रेगुलर है ना कल से, है ना बेटा? B21 और B20 तेरे पापा से बात हो गई है मेरी, ठीक है? हाँ रेगुलर है ना बेटा कल से, जैसे मेरे उस पे आ जाना बेटा, है ना? संडे को भी अभी छुट्टी नहीं होगी, 2 संडे और क्लास होगी बेटा अपनी, ओके? चलिए थैंक यू वेरी मच.